Model, 2014 Ford Transit Custom 310L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 100ps low-roof van. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 128391. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 100ps TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine been thoroughly checked by our Ford mechanics, which is 100% fine. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,125. Click the link.